Hiya guys, we have in here the copy of a curvy Barbie doll. We can see this and the box it and review it. What is this company Look Me offering us as the alternative for the Barbie curvy doll. Let's see what we have here. So the box is really nice, very decent box, I would say. It has description of the product and the age restriction, such as kids over 3 years old can play with this doll. So let's see what is this. It's a nice cover. It's pleasant to have in your hands, and the doll itself, a very glossy window box. Let's open it. Nice package. What we have here? We have a pretty doll. Let's take her out. So, taking the dress off. We have doll with the high-heeled feet. She has rooted hair. It has some blemishes, obviously. The hands, the plastic of the hands is bendable. The body and legs made from the hard plastic. It's fine, but still okay. It has seams here. It's not like an original curvy Barbie doll. It's also made from the bendable plastic. We have the imitation of the knickers. Squeaky joints. Squishy face. She has squishy face. Squishy face. She having the punctured ears, so you can insert the jewelry. Otherwise, it's all really decent for the price that I was paying for. It's under for £3 or $4. Let's see what's dress. It's untrimmed threads. It's a plastic type fabric. The same here. Sequined eyelash. All eyelash fabric only on the front. Obviously, you can see it. Very cheaply made. So even from one just took off, it's already, you see, seams. Yeah, it's pretty. It's okay. You get what you pay for. Yeah, nice. Okay, this is it for you for now. Bye bye. See you later.